Hi everyone, welcome to this month's reveal of October's BB kit called Efflorescence. It is packed with moody blooms and dark jewel tone colors. This is the journaling card for this month. Look at those florals, my favorite. Changing things up a bit and showing you the kit pen towards the beginning of the video. This is the Efflorescence BB pen. It is a deep berry burgundy glossy paint pen with rose gold hardware and a mix of burgundy, violet, and a medium green crystal. Really pretty when they're all together. I have to say, I have been getting tons of requests for new enamel magnets. You guys want these. So this is a new design. This one is like a floral. I don't know if it's a rose or a peony. I don't know, I'm not sure. So we're just gonna call it a floral enamel magnetic charm. You hint, you might see one in November's Advent kit. So if you haven't reserved yours yet, you might want to. Anyways, just make sure you're super gentle with the magnetic charm because it is just a magnetic backing. Okay, back on track. This is a 6x3 notepad, fits perfectly on the bottom section of the VB planner. It is foiled with rose gold. I am literally in love with this month's clear tape. Look how gorgeous the florals and the little pops of rose gold foiling, the detailing. It just looks so pretty. I can't wait to see how you guys use the tapes in your planners or your journaling or however you use clear tapes or even washi tape. I love this abstract pattern. So those are your 2 clear tapes for this month. I'm gonna quickly go through the sticker book. This is the sticker book. Didn't make any changes this month, so because I've been getting a lot of feedback that you do like the existing pages, so we left those as is, and then your journaling pages in the back. If it's kind of noisy in the background, it's because it is just raining hard here in Seattle. Fall has hit us hard all of a sudden. It was so nice for the past 2 weeks, and now here comes the rain. It is dark, it is rainy, it's wet. So I'm sorry if it's a little bit noisy. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but yeah. Oh, and then this is the sticker pack. You get your 4 regular matte paper and then your 4 clear and scripts, because I heard you guys like script stickers. This is a new product. It is a double-sided pen sleeve. It is super compact, but when you open it up, there's 2 sections. So you can put your VB pens in one and then other products on the other side. Let's take a moment to admire these pens though. Aren't these ones pretty? I just did a reel, so I had these on hand and I put these in there. But that burgundy one is the kit pen. On this side, I just added 2 of my favorite highlighter colors and the fountain pen. So very compact, perfect for your purse, for your planner totes, for your backpacks, just ready for on-the-go planning. I really want to know, how many VB pens do you guys usually carry on an everyday basis? Leave your response below because I'm really curious. Do you need something bigger than this? Is this kind of perfect for you? Let me know your feedback. This is a little bits and pieces pack. It's kind of like a die cut ephemera pack. It has clear die cut stickers, and then you get little paper die cut shapes, so you can do some layering or bundling. And I'm gonna show you how I used these pieces later in the video. I used them in my VB weeks and I used them in my planner, so just to give you some ideas. But I think I'm gonna start with my VB planner. So this is a layout for next week. I'm gonna add the 6x3 notepad right in this area, just using double-sided adhesive tape. Fits perfectly in this section. I really wanted to use the thinner washi tape, or clear tape, I should say. I always keep calling it washi tape. Clear tape, on the left side of the layout, right in the blank section. These are the pieces, die cut pieces I picked up from the Bits and Pieces pack. I'm going to do some layering, and then I found this vintage script die cut on my desk when I was journaling the other day. So I'm just going to use that, and I'm going to layer the pieces together. So start with the shape piece, so that'll be your bottom piece. Tack that down with some adhesive tape, double-sided adhesive tape. I'm going to add the script die cut here, and then I'm going to place the sticker first, and then make sure you can use it as like a die cut piece, or you can use it as a sticker. I personally like it like a sticker because it's clear, looks really pretty. So there's that little bundle piece. I'm going to take another clear die cut sticker and place it right here in the corner just to balance this section out. And then I'm going to cut the extra remaining piece so it looks like it's kind of flowing right to the end, or right to the end of the page. I was going to add this other flower, but I thought it might be too much, so I think I'm just going to leave it as is. And then I'm going to add some more clear die cut stickers to the edge of the right side of the planner spread, just like this. And then take another piece. I really like this little bundle of florals together. I'm going to take that one, kind of use it like as a corner. And then again, I'm just going to cut away the excess, so it looks like it's flowing to the edge, right to the edge. And there you go. Simple, easy layout using some of the pieces from the Bits and Pieces pack and the 6x3 notepad. It's kind of hard to cut when you have a tripod right in the middle of you, but I'll deal with that later. And there's your layout for the week. Okay, now let me show you how I'm going to use some of these pieces for decorating the VB weeks. I love this little guy. It is my go-to little planner. I still use my VB planner, but I like this one for on the go. And I really like, to tell you the truth, I really like to decorate it. And you saw some of my past layouts from the previous weeks, but let's focus on this one. I'll probably do a flip through. I started this in September when we first got the VB week, so probably do. I really want to fill it, the whole thing, till next year, so we'll see. Just like what I did with the VB planner, just kind of making, just putting the flower to the edge and then cutting off the excess. I already had the days of the week and then the efflorescence script and journaling piece on the bottom, but just wanted to show you how to add that finishing touch. And then when it's time for this week, I think this is about maybe two or 3 weeks ahead, I'll go in with the journaling pieces and add some more stickers. Here's another idea to use the Bits and Pieces the pieces from the Bits and Pieces. Oh my gosh, it makes me so confused. You can use them for your pockets, make little layered pieces and just have them stick out like this. I think I did every other pocket, and just having little pieces kind of stick out, and then you can still put all your other essentials in between the little layering pieces. So I have 2 right now. I'm gonna do another one for the bottom right here. Isn't that pretty? Just super simple. Just something to, change up your VB wallet clutch. Oh, and yes, there will be more colors coming just in time for Cyber Monday. Here is the full view of this month's Efflorescent October VB kit. I hope you guys love this kit. It is probably one of my top favorite kits. The florals and the rose gold and just the colors just all go well together. If you love this kit, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video as well. I can't believe it's almost the end of 2022. I have tons of new things planned for 2023 and I can't wait to share them with all of you. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you soon.